Good morning, friends of Dolce Vitaville. We got Francie at the helm. We're still in the ICW, and we got passing traffic. They're going north. We're going south, and we passed them starboard to starboard because they seemed insistent on being over there. So we made a deal and passed starboard to starboard with them. And now we're going to get back on course in the ICW. Take a little picture of the chart plotter so you can kind of see where we are. I can, there. Yeah, there we are. I don't know how that's working for you. Captain Ralph is working on his log and navigation and stuff. To-do list. I have been busy doing sailorly things. I have my shoes, you can see, kind of ripped down the side there. So I got out my little ditty bag and my sailmaker's palm, and I used small stuff that came in there and a curved needle, and sewed up my shoes there, you can see. Pretty proud of myself. So we're just making our way. We'll be at Belhaven this evening. We'll be anchored there and then move on the next day, moving toward Morehead City. Morehead City, which is on the coast of North Carolina. We're going to pick up some parts for the crossbeam and make some adjustments and then see what the weather brings. Talk to you later.